Short-term rental owners and hosts carry a range of responsibilities to ensure their properties meet guest expectations. One crucial practice is regularly experiencing your own property, which allows you to spot maintenance issues firsthand. Overlooking these details can result in negative reviews, lower ratings, and ultimately reduced income. By staying proactive, hosts can maintain high standards and provide a positive experience for every guest. This approach not only protects your reputation, but also supports long-term success in the rental market. Guests often express dissatisfaction with issues like inadequate cleanliness, uncomfortable furnishings, dirty baseboards, stained towels, and amenities that do not match their expectations. These complaints can significantly impact the overall experience and perception of your rental property, which means lower star ratings that reduce your bookings. After all, who wants to stay in a dump? Adhering to strict cleaning protocols and maintaining high standards are essential to ensure guest satisfaction. By consistently meeting these expectations, you not only enhance the comfort and enjoyment of your guests, but also safeguard the reputation of your rental. Attention to detail in these areas helps prevent negative reviews and encourages repeat bookings.